Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to After Effects. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to move this square to the other side of the screen as so. Now this is a pretty complex process to achieve, so I'm just going to get right into it. Okay, so what we need to do is create a new solid, make this a square. Doesn't have to be perfect unless you want it to be. We're going to go into here. I'm going to change this to 320. And what we're going to do is we're going to hold down Alt and click on the position. And this is called an expression. Basically, you can write kind of lines of code, I guess, that can tell a object what to do. So what you need to type for this, what we're going to type is bracket x comma space value bracket 1 bracket bracket, and then this x represents value 0. I know it should be value 1, value 2, but it's not. Represents value 0. I just changed it to x right away so I don't have to go over that, even though I just went over it. So what we need to do now is define x. So we go x equals linear parentheses. What we're going to type here now is L comma 0 comma 1. Then we're going to do 320 1600. Add a parentheses and add that's a colon. We want a semicolon. So what's going on here? Well, what is going on here is L represents a value. It's going to be taken. L represents what value? Where we're looking for these two values. So right now I can just define that right away. Do L equals time. I know how to type, guys. Don't worry. Time, and I add a semicolon just to, end that. Oh, didn't mean to do that. So that's where L means it's drawing a value from time, and it's looking for these two values. This is the start time, this is the stop time, and this here is where this is the first x value, this is the second x value. So basically it's telling you I want this square to move from 320 to 1600 over the course of 1 second. And then if we just get out of this, you can see that's exactly what it does. But if we look in our example here, you can see it sort of speeds up and slows down. Speeds up, slows down. Okay, so how do we fix this? Now, this is where it gets pretty difficult. What we need to do is we need to go into linear, change linear to ease, and there we go. I know, complex stuff, guys, complex stuff. And then you can see this has motion blur on it. Oh wait, no it doesn't. It should though. You can see it has motion blur on it. So what we're going to do is just do that. There we go. You have successfully moved the cube from one side of the screen to the other side of the screen. So yeah, that's all for this tutorial. Now, I've got to say, guys, that there is absolutely, positively no other way in existence to recreate this effect in After Effects. It is physically impossible, so don't even attempt to, because you're not going to get any success out of that. And so yeah, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and do with this effect as you will. So thanks for watching, and I'm gonna go be depressed.